Yet again, it is very late at night and I still need to eat dinner, so tonight I'm going to be preparing Shin Ramyun or Shin Ramen, trying to copy a recipe that I saw a street vendor use to make it out here in Korea. Unfortunately, I didn't stock any vegetables at my place like the street vendor did, but the base of what they used was an egg and cheese, and they prepared everything in a very specific order, so pay attention. Let's go. If you just let the cheese rest on top for about a minute, it should look something like this, and we're done cooking. Now all there's left to do is a final taste test. Oh yeah, that hits the spot. So if you're looking for something that you can cook fast as a delicious late night snack, or especially if you want to recreate this recipe that's inspired by a Korean street vendor, pick up some Shin Ramen for yourself today and you'll thank yourself later.